Welcome. Thanks for stopping by. This is Digital Micro, and you're at the Digital Micro Trading Journal with new month order flow. The M2K Russell 2000 August order flow begins. Okay, we've got an order flow weekly M2K Russell 2000. The first thing on the order flow is we've got a buy signal. So this little follow my cursor number sign, that is the buy signal, and the PB is the buy pullback. So I've got a 2-week anchored VWAP level at 1825, and I'm sorry for mean reversion and shorts. There's no sell signal here, absolutely not. On the inbox histogram reading here, the strength of the punches is we've already had distribution here, and we just ended 2 weeks where we had our first green, you can see, or I should say magenta. It's not been at this level in 2022. So strongest last 2 week according to the inbox histogram. And then we go to the cumulative delta here, and supply just keeps decreasing. Supply is getting lighter and lighter. Pace is not really accelerating. We're in midsummer here. I think the closer we get to Labor Day, that's going to change. The main takeaway on the weekly chart, and I don't look at this too often, is this upper Bollinger Band level is not that far away, and that's a price of 1930, and where we're at right now is 1876, and I think that's a pretty easy target, but I'm not going to take longs on the next chart. I'll tell you why. Here's the 24-hour chart, M2K, and the main reason why I'm not long is we've just had 6 of the last 9 sessions were upper Bollinger Band. And here we are. Europe Globex has been open for a few minutes on Monday, and we're still knocking on the door of possibly a 4th day in a row going to the upper Bollinger Band at 1899, 1900. But look what's up here at this red line. That is the anchored volume weighted average price since January. Very important level, 1936. So again, if we're going to do this, we could do this in short order and then come down. But right now, there's nothing here setting up for an easy short on this hashtag and a buy pullback. So same as the weekly chart. The other thing I want to note is bulls are absolutely doing their job. Almost 90 handles above the middle Bollinger Band. It's been 11 days since price hit middle Bollinger Band and was sitting at 1788. So I'm just saying no touching this upper Bollinger Band for a long for me, not even on a scalp. I'm going to keep the discipline. Let's go to the 120. Okay, the M2K 120. This is in my wheelhouse where I'm constantly looking at this one. And what we've got, we had the ramp, now we've got the camp. So we've got a flat flag here, and we've got compression Bollinger Bands. So this is major hands off. And the other thing of the rule that I've got is I don't want to trade on the first when institutions predominantly need to put money to work on the first. So no fading for mean reversion for me. I'm just going to wait it out till Tuesday. I'm looking at this yellow circle with this green line. That's at an 1837, and it's pointed and tilted. But again, these compressed Bollinger Bands means we are absolutely going to have an event where price is going to break out of this flat flag. Let's look at the order flow on the strength of the punches here on the inbox histogram. You see a decrease in product demand here since Friday. Even though price is going up, we see the actual demand on the product is decreasing, and the cumulative delta here, the overall buying, it's still demand. Buyers are still in control. It's just decreased amount of buyers, and then the pace really dropped off the cliff. So this was real apparent And what started all this? The FOMC reaction. So you see the biggest amount of buying last week was the biggest hit. The strength of this rally was on that reaction where we hit it, we reacted, we flat flagged it, we went up again, and then we had another flag, and here we are. Monday, institutional buy day. So we'll see how they trade on the RTH, and looking forward to having some dry powder for Tuesday, turnaround Tuesday.